Welcome back to Beautyistic. Today I'm reviewing the Naked Sun IonTan corded portable spray tan machine, which comes with a complete set. The Honey Glow Airbrush Sunless Self-Tan Solution, a professional tanning tent, and a carry bag. This 5-piece bundle promises a powerful, lightweight, and quiet spray tan experience, designed to deliver a flawless tan at home. But does it live up to the hype? Let's dive in and find out. First, let's talk about the basics. The Naked Sun IonTan Spray Tan Machine is marketed as a high-performance handheld device designed to give you professional quality spray tans without the need for a full-size machine. The bundle includes the spray tan gun itself, a tanning solution, a pop-up tent for easy application, and a carry bag for storage and portability. The key features here are its micro-atomization technology, which promises a fine, even mist, and its promise of a whisper-quiet operation, even with powerful airflow. The tanning solution included in the set, the Honey Glow Airbrush Sunless Self-Tan Solution, is designed to give a natural-looking tan, free from streaks and odors. It's an important part of the bundle since the right formula can make all the difference in your tanning experience. Now, let's get into the real-world testing. I've been using this machine for a few weeks, and I'm really impressed with how easy it is to incorporate into my routine. The setup was straightforward, and the compact design made it easy to use at home without much space required. I applied the spray tan solution in a well-ventilated area, and the application process was smoother than I expected. The microatomization really does deliver an even streak-free tan, which is great, especially for DIYers who may struggle with getting that flawless finish. The spray pattern is indeed drip-free, and the airbrush function gives you a professional result without the mess. One of the standout features is the quiet operation. It's not completely silent, but it's significantly quieter than most handheld spray tan machines I've used. The airflow is powerful, but not overwhelming, and the noise isn't distracting during use, which is a big plus. The weight of the machine is also well-balanced, and it's not too heavy to use for long periods, unlike some other models that can feel bulky after just a few minutes. In terms of performance, the Honey Glow solution gave a rich golden tan that lasted about 5 to 7 days before fading evenly, which is pretty standard for self-tanners. The tanning tent is roomy, offering enough space for free movement while applying the tan, so you don't have to worry about getting product on anything else in your space. It's portable and easy to set up and take down, making it great for travel or on-the-go use. Now let's talk pros and cons. The pros are definitely the even application, quiet operation, and the fact that it's lightweight and easy to use. The machine is powerful enough to mimic a professional spray tan experience, and it does so in a convenient and portable way. The Honey Glow solution is also a great match for those who want a natural-looking tan without the orange tint. However, no product is perfect. A couple of things to consider. The machine does require a cord, which could limit its portability if you're used to cordless spray tans. Also, while the professional tent is a nice addition, it could be a bit bulky for some users, especially if you're working with limited space. And while the tanning solution works well, I would have liked to see more customization options in terms of shade depth. Now the big question, is it worth the price? The price point for this bundle is higher than a typical drugstore self-tanner, but considering the professional level results, quiet operation, and the fact that you're getting the full set, including the tanning tent, it's a good investment for those who want a salon-quality tan at home. If you're a regular user of spray tans, this is a worthwhile purchase because it saves you time and money in the long run. If you're looking for something more budget-friendly, there are handheld spray tan machines that can provide decent results, but they may lack some of the advanced features like micro-atomization and whisper-quiet operation. The cheaper alternatives might require more touch-ups or might not give as even a result, so it comes down to what matters most to you: performance, price, or convenience. In terms of build quality, the machine feels sturdy, and the packaging is solid. It's clear that the brand put effort into delivering a high-quality product that can withstand regular use. The solution has a decent shelf life, and you're likely to get several tans out of this bundle before needing to restock. Customer support for Naked Sun is pretty responsive, though I haven't had to interact with them extensively. They seem to be well regarded for handling inquiries efficiently, which is always a plus for a product of this price range. So, is this the right choice for you? If you're serious about self-tanning and want a salon-quality result from the comfort of your own home, this product definitely lives up to its promises. It's easy to use, delivers a professional finish, and is worth the investment if you're going to be using it regularly. Mid-review call to action. If this review has helped you, don't forget to like, subscribe, and click the bell icon so other beauty lovers can find this video too. Your support helps us keep making honest reviews like this. Thank you so much for watching. If you've tried this product or have any questions, drop a comment below and let us know your thoughts. The link to purchase the Naked Sun IonTan Spray Tan Machine Bundle is in the description box, so be sure to check that out if you're ready to give it a try. Thanks for tuning in, and until next time, stay beautiful inside and out.